We'll be starting with JavaScript. In JavaScript, the topic is event and event handlers. Now, before we start with the event and event handlers, let us understand the concept. What is the event and what is the event handlers? Now, event is, you can describe the event as, suppose you have created one button and on the button, suppose jump is written. And when you click on this button, something should happen. Some function should execute. So this is called as what? Event. You are clicking on the button. So that is called as what? Event. So click on button. That is called as one event. Second is, on a web browser, suppose you are searching for some image. And if the image takes some time to load, sometimes you see this sign, circle sign. So circle sign means what? Load, right? Your image is getting loaded. So when image is getting loaded, that is also called as one type of event. Another is you are scrolling down on a page. So scrolling is also one event. Then another example is you are moving your mouse. So moving the mouse is also one event. So I hope you have understood the meaning of event. You are clicking on the button, you are scrolling up and down on the web page, your image is getting loaded. Sometimes you play video on the YouTube also. Then in YouTube also, before your video gets played, it takes some time for loading. That is also one event. Then moving the mouse. Suppose you are moving your mouse here and there. So that is also one type of event. Now, what is event handlers? To understand the concept of event handlers, you can consider this as a handlers are something that is going to handle to our event. For example, you have created one button, jump. I'll take the same example, jump. If I'll click on this jump, then click is what? One event. And event handling means what? Who is going to handle this? I'm clicking on this button, right? Jump. After clicking, what should happen? Suppose after I click on this jump, I want to print hello world. Right? So this is what called as event handling. Clicking on the event, clicking on the button, that it is considered as just event. But on the click of the button, I want something to happen. So who does that thing? JavaScript will do the event handling part. Okay, so that we are going to see today, event and event handlers. Another example is, suppose you are filling your college examination form, and on the college exam form, after you fill up all the details, there is a one button at the bottom, submit. Once you click on the submit, your all the details, जो भी आपने forms में details fill किए हैं, all the details will be submitted, right? So आपको एक message आता है, right? All details are submitted successfully. So this message you are getting because of the event handling. Another good example that I can give you is, have you filled up the Google form? Google form fill up किया है आप लोगों ने कभी? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, right. Now, on the Google form, after you fill up all the answers or all the questions, there is a one button at the bottom called as submit. And as soon as you click on the submit, you'll get the message, your response has been recorded. Have you seen this message anytime? Yes, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, yes, right. So this is called as what? Event handling. You are clicking on the submit button, that is event. But when you are getting the message, that is called as what? whatever the event has occurred. कौन सा event occur हुआ है? Click event occur हुआ है. So वो click होने पे क्या होना चाहिए? That we need to write it in the event handling part. Understood till here?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, in event handling, events are normally used with functions. Functions that we have studied in JavaScript. So, once again, we will revise the concept of function in JavaScript. Okay? Now, example of events are on click. I think on click we have done. Still, we will see one more time, kind of revision. Then we have on blur. Blur means what? Some part gets blurred. When your part, some attribute or some element gets blurred, this is also called as one event. On change. On change means what? Suppose you have created two radio buttons. One is for male, one is for female. By default, male is selected. And if you want to click on female, then you are changing the values. So that is what? On change event. On error is also one event. On focus. On focus means what? Suppose you have two fields, enter your name and enter your password. Two fields are there. By default, your cursor is blinking in the name field, right? Then once you click on tab, your cursor will blink here. So that is called as what? On focus. Why? Because currently this is the field who is getting the focus. Then on from the keyboard, if you press upward key, then it is called as what? On key up. If you press downward key, then on key down. Then another example is sometimes you double click on the button. Then the event is what? On double DBL click. CLICK. Another example of event is on load. Then you have on mouse over. On mouse over means what? Suppose here we have two fields. Enter your name and enter your mouse. I am moving my mouse here. Can you see this? Cursor is moving in this text box. So this is called as mouse over. Mouse out means what? As soon as I move cursor from this text field, that is called as what? Out. This is mouse over. This is mouse out. So another event is what? On mouse out. Similarly, we have on mouse down, then on mouse move. Move means what? Anywhere you move your mouse on the web page. Okay, so these are the examples of event. We'll see these events with the help of example now. Can we start now? Yes. Shall we start?
Yes, ma'am.
Done with writing? Manish and Sarthak,
Yes,
yes
ma'am.
or no? Can we start the program? Okay, we'll start now. I'll go to start notepad. This we know now. I'm not writing any heading part. I'm directly starting with body. Now, first we are going to see about on double click. Can you see this part? On double click. So this part we'll see first. So means you have to create one button, and on the button you have to click twice. So what I'm doing here is you can create a button also, and you can create the paragraph tag also. Anything. I'm creating one paragraph tag. What is my event? My event is what? On double click, right? DBL click. D and C is capital. Equal to. When I'm double clicking on something, what function I want to execute, write the function name here. Let's say my function name is my function. Okay. So this is the function that will be executed. My function कब execute होगा? When I double click. Closing of paragraph tag. In between the bracket I am writing double click this paragraph to trigger a function. Means if you double click in this paragraph, then trigger means what? Then this function will be executed. You can write here any function name. There is no restriction that you have to give the function name as my function only. Done. Now I am creating one more paragraph tag, and ID of this is demo. Closing of paragraph tag. Okay, I am giving one break here. I hope these two lines are clear. We have created simple paragraph tag, and on the first paragraph, I have written one event. Now, just now we have written the function name. Function definition likhna baki hai. In JavaScript, function definition always comes in script tag. So I'll write here script type equals to text and JavaScript. Right? Closing of script tag. Now, inside the script tag, we need to write the function. Now, I'll write here function. What is a function name? My function. Right? Statements will come inside curly brace. Can you see here? Function name has to be same. You have to take care about the lowercase and uppercase. Now, if I'll double click on this, then this function will be executed. Inside this, I'm writing document dot get element by ID. What is the ID of this paragraph tag? Demo. Demo dot inner HTML. Inner HTML is what? Inner HTML is one property. Through this property, we can print the text. Hello world. Okay. What will happen now? On the browser, this line will be printed. If I double click on this, then ये paragraph tag पे क्या display होगा? Hello world. ठीक है? Now, I'll save this file. I'm creating one folder, events. I'm giving the file name as on double click .html. All files save. On desktop, HTML programs, JavaScript, events. Right click here, open with Google Chrome. Can you see here? Now I'll double click on this. Can you see here? Hello world आ गया. Double click करना है. ठीक है? Understood? See, I'm running this one more time. Anywhere you double click. Single click करोगे तो नहीं होगा. I have double click. Okay? Understood this part? Yes, please write in the chat box. Have you understood this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Manish, is it clear? Please do reply. Go through this. Do not write anything. You will get a notes soft copy for this. Clear है इतना? Manish and Sarthak, please reply in the chat box. Can I proceed? Yes, no. Okay. Manish, are you there? Now, we'll see second event now on click. For on click also, what you need to do? Now, if you have understood this one, then other is very simple to understand. I'll write here HTML. Inside this, I'll write body. Inside body, I'll write script tag. Type equals to text. JavaScript. Closing of script tag. Right. Now, I'll create one button here. We are doing on click event. Means I'll create one button here. And on the button, I'll click only once. And on the click of button, I want to show some message. So first of all, I'll create button on click. Which function you want to execute? Write the function name here. Let's say I'm writing the function name here as dance. Okay. And I'll write here, click here. What will be displayed on the button? Click here. closing of button tag, right? Where you want to display the message on paragraph tag, right? So you have to create the paragraph tag also. ID is, let's say, demo itself, closing on paragraph tag, and I'll give break here. Now, what is the function name? Dance. Where the definition we have to write in the script tag. So inside the script tag, I'll write function, and what is the function name? Dance. Everything is in the small case, right? Closing. Inside the curly brace, what we'll write? Function definition. Now, I write here document dot get element by ID. What is the ID of paragraph tag? Demo. After 10 minutes, you have to join the same meeting. Okay? Sarthak and Tejas. Dot inner HTML. And what message you want to display? Let's say I want to display here FYIT web programming. That's it. Save your program. I'll save it as onclick.html and here all files. Save and run. Open with Chrome. Can you see a button? Click on the button. FYIT web programming. हो गया? Understood? Go through it once. Then we will start with the next event. Once you are done with this, please write in the chat box that we are done. Then students, yes, no. Sarthak and Tejas done.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we will see another event, that is on blur. On blur. I'm modifying in this only. Now what we need to do here is in on blur, on blur में क्या देखो, on blur. I'll create one input box. As soon as I leave this field, जो भी text लिखा रहेगा मैंने यहाँ पे, that will be converted into uppercase. It means what? When you leave this field, this part will get blur. So when this part will get blur, whatever is the text you have written here, that will be converted into uppercase. Got the idea what we need to do here? See with the example, enter your name. One field we need to do, right? input type equals to text, ID is first name, and on what is the event? On blur. And when this event will be executed, I want to execute my function in the paragraph tag. I am writing when you leave input field, a function is triggered, means function execute hoga. Then script tag type equals to text, JavaScript, closing of script tag. Now इनपुट बॉक्स में जो लिखा है उसका वैल्यू कैसे मिलेगा? डॉक्यूमेंट डॉट गेट एलिमेंट बाय आईडी. व्हाट इज द आईडी ऑफ द इनपुट? फर्स्ट नेम. सो आई राइट हियर फर्स्ट नेम. उसका वैल्यू चाहिए, राइट? सो व्हाट वी नीड टू डू हियर, we'll put semicolon here and this part will store in one variable, let's say x. ठीक है, तो मेरा वैल्यू किस में स्टोर है? x के अंदर. नाउ x की वैल्यू को अपर केस में कन्वर्ट करना है ना, तो क्या लिखेंगे? x डॉट वैल्यू डॉट फंक्शन नेम इज टू अपर केस, राइट? दिस पार्ट विल स्टोर इन x डॉट वैल्यू. Okay, see the output, then I'll explain again. I'll write the name here. Pioneer. We need to check this out. Just go through the program. Then share screen. Okay, you can see this example on blur. Suppose in this field I have written Pioneer class. As soon as right now, can you see where the cursor is blinking? So focus is in the text field. As soon as I leave the focus, means ये field blur हो जाएगा, then it will be in the upper case. Understood? What was the mistake? We had written D in capital, but it is small. Okay? Understood? Yes, no? Now we'll start with on change. Event name is on change. Now for on change, what example we are going to take here is, see, we have to design one drop down box. We will write here, select a new car. We have to design one drop down box. Here we need to give the option as Audi, BMW and Volvo. Whatever the car I'll select from here, suppose मैंने Audi select किया है, तो I'm selecting from this option ना. So this is called as what? Event. As soon as I select any one of this option, I want to display a message, right? Like you have selected Audi, or you have selected BMW, or you have selected Volvo. So for this, what we need to do, first we'll design this, select an drop down path, and then we need to write one function in the script tag. Means you are changing between the options, right? Let us see now. Now see here, we will write here paragraph tag, select a new car, right? Closing of paragraph tag, break, then select. We need to create drop down box. ID is a must. ID I'm giving as car. On change is the event that is happening now. On change, I want to execute my function. Closing of selected. In between this, we'll write the option. Option value. कौन सा value चाहिए? Audi first. Closing of option. I will copy and paste same for BMW and for Volvo. I'll just need to change the value and name here. Okay. Now, in a paragraph tag, we'll display the message that you have selected so and so car. So I'll design one paragraph tag. Closing of paragraph tag. Now, what is the function name? My function. So I'll write here function. My function. How we'll get to know कौन सा option selected है? By ID, right? So I'll write here variable x equals to whatever option is selected, that will store in variable x. Dot get element by ID. What is ID? ID क्या है? ये select का car. Dot उसका value. जो भी ऑप्शन सिलेक्टेड रहेगा उसका वैल्यू पैराग्राफ टैग में प्रिंट करना है ना. So document dot get element by ID What is the idea of paragraph tag demo? उस पे प्रिंट करना है, so inner.html property we have to use equal to, क्या प्रिंट करेंगे? You have selected X. X means what? X में क्या स्टोर है? जो भी कार सिलेक्ट हुआ है वो ना, ओके, सेव करेंगे ऑन चेंज, रन करते हैं। See here. Just a minute. There is a mistake in the code. हाँ, still it is not coming. I'll just verify. Select ID as car. Let me check the function name. Understood this program, students?
मैम
हाँ,
मैम डॉट इनर एचटीएमएल क्या है?
dot inner HTML is the property. Using this property, you can print the text. ये text जो है वो डेमो पे प्रिंट कर सकते हो. What is a demo? Demo is the idea of paragraph tag. So paragraph tag पे आप ये मैसेज प्रिंट कर सकते हो.
तो मैम डॉट इनर एचटीएमएल कब यूज होता है?
Whenever you want to print any message on HTML element,
मैम बट वी यूज डॉक्यूमेंट डॉट राइट ना टू प्रिंट.
document dot write is just for printing on a screen. अगर मैं document dot write लिखूंगी यहाँ पे, see here, मैं यहाँ पे जो document dot print लिखूंगी, document dot write hello, तो वो पार्ट एज इट इज प्रिंट होगा ना स्क्रीन पे. कैन यू सी? वी डोंट वांट राइट लाइक दिस. हमें HTML एलिमेंट पे प्रिंट करना है ना. अंडरस्टूड?
यस मैम, यस मैम.
जस्ट सी दिस. I'll stop sharing my screen, just a minute. You can see now. C will be small here. Okay. I'll run this. I select the new car. If I select BMW, BMW will be printed. If I select Volvo, then Volvo. And if I select Audi, then Audi will be printed. Understood? Yes or no?
Ma'am, can you show again? Hello, ma'am.
Understood?
Ma'am, can you show again?
See here. From drop down box, if I select any option, that will be printed. So I'm selecting the option that is event. And when I'm selecting, what should happen? This message is occurring now. So this is what event handling part. Event handling part, we always write in function. This is simple here. This is simple. Select that we do for designing the form drop down. We have created one ID demo paragraph tag, and on that we are printing this message.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
on change is a subject, object or what?
On change is the event. Why this is the event? Because you are every time you are changing between this option. Na? Right now I have selected Volvo. So there are how many options you have? 3 options. In between these 3 options, you are changing this. Na? So the event name is what? On change. Like how I had given you the example for radio button, male and female. So whenever you have a choice between the 2 or 3 or 4, you are changing between the different options. So that is on change. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Sarthak?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we will see another 2 events. On mouse up and on mouse down.
Ma'am,
हाँ
पैराग्राफ टैग से सिलेक्ट न्यू कार लिखा मैम, डॉक्यूमेंट डॉट राइट से नहीं लिख सकते?
नहीं, अगर डॉक्यूमेंट डॉट राइट से आप लिखोगे तो वही टेक्स्ट डिस्प्ले होगा ना. डॉक्यूमेंट डॉट राइट, लेट्स सी हेलो लिखा मैंने, तो ये हेलो ही प्रिंट हुआ ना. ये इसको मैं चेंज नहीं कर सकती हूँ. और डिपेंडिंग ऑन व्हाट आई सिलेक्ट फ्रॉम ड्रॉप डाउन बॉक्स, उसके हिसाब से मुझे वैल्यू चेंज करना है ना. इसलिए मैंने पैराग्राफ टैग बनाया है और उसका आईडी डेमो दिया है. अंडरस्टूड द डिफरेंस बिटवीन दिस टू?
ओके मैम. मैम मतलब डॉक्यूमेंट डॉट राइट चेंज नहीं हो सकता, बाकी पैराग्राफ इसलिए किया ना क्योंकि चेंज हो जाए.
आप सी प्रोग्रामिंग में कैसे लिखते हो? प्रिंट एफ, सी प्लस प्लस में सी आउट, whatever you write in double quotes, that will be printed as it is, no, on the screen. Yes or no? So document dot write is like that only. See out and printf. Understood?
Yes ma'am.
Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes ma'am.
Okay. Write down next 2 events. next two are on mouse up, on mouse down. Take down these two. We will see the example. Written the name? Yes, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I am typing the code. It is same. Just let me know wherever you have a doubt. Whatever part is new that I'll explain. This is same for every HTML program. What is the idea of paragraph tag MD? Here I'm writing two events in the same program. On mouse down. कौन सा फंक्शन एग्जीक्यूट होगा तभी डाउन वाला फंक्शन, और दूसरा इवेंट है ऑन माउस अप, तभी कौन सा फंक्शन एग्जीक्यूट होगा, अप वाला फंक्शन. क्लोजिंग ऑफ पैराग्राफ टैग. Now inside paragraph tag I am writing this message. Click the text, मतलब आपको टेक्स्ट पे क्लिक करना है. The mouse down function is triggered when, मतलब माउस डाउन वाला फंक्शन कब एग्जीक्यूट होगा, when the mouse button, the next line, is pressed down over this paragraph. Okay. Next line, I am writing the mouse up function will be executed when mouse button is released. Means जब आप mouse का control release करोगे, then mouse up function will be selected. On mouse, we click on the mouse and we release. Click means what? Mouse is down. When you release the control, that is mouse up. Okay. I am writing this text to show to the user that what we need to do here. So by reading this paragraph tag, आपको समझेगा कि क्या करना है. Now script tag type equals to text JavaScript script tag close. Now दो फंक्शन लिखना है ना यहाँ पे. फंक्शन down and next is function up. Right? अभी down पे क्लिक करोगे तो क्या एग्जीक्यूट होगा? Document dot get element by ID. What is ID of the paragraph tag? MD dot style. उसका color change हो जाएगा. Color will be red. And when mouse is released, so when mouse up function is executed, at that time color will be green. Just see the output, then you will understand the actual thing. Document spelling is wrong. I'll save this. Mouse up and down. Right? Now see here. Can you see here? Green means what? Mouse is up. मैंने कहीं पे भी click नहीं किया है. देखो. Once I click on this text, देखो text पे click किया तो mouse down है ना मेरा. Text पे click करके रखा है ना मैंने. तो color क्या हो गया? Red. ठीक है? Understood? दो events है. On mouse up and down. Down means what? जब आपने mouse पे click करके रखा है तभी. Down means what? We have not clicked on the mouse. And आपको text पे ही mouse को up and down करना है. क्योंकि event कहाँ पे लिखा है हमने? Paragraph tag में ना. Understood? Yes or no? Two events are there. On mouse up and down. When I have clicked on the mouse, then down function will be executed. When I have released from mouse, up function will be executed. Clear? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Sarthak?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can we move on to next one? Yes or no? Please write in the chat box so that I can understand. Your voice is too low.
Yes, ma'am.
मैम
हाँ
मैम लास्ट टाइम डॉट वैल्यू से कॉल किया था ना.
वैल्यू मतलब क्या? अगर एक मैंने टेक्स्ट बॉक्स बनाया है यहाँ पे, इसके अंदर मैंने सपोज पायोनियर लिखा है, ये वैल्यू मुझे चाहिए तो मैं लिखूंगी ना, सपोज इनपुट टाइप इक्वल टू टेक्स्ट, इसका आईडी है फर्स्ट नेम, ठीक है. व्हाट आई हैव एंटर्ड हियर आई डोंट नो. अगर मुझे ये फील्ड में जो लिखा है उसका वैल्यू चाहिए तो आई राइट लाइक दिस, डॉक्यूमेंट डॉट गेट एलिमेंट बाय आईडी. आईडी क्या है? फर्स्ट नेम है. देन डॉट वैल्यू. डॉट वैल्यू से क्या होगा? ये टेक्स्ट बॉक्स में जो लिखा है उसका वैल्यू हमें मिलेगा. क्या है? वैल्यू पायोनियर. और इसको मैंने एक वेरिएबल के अंदर स्टोर किया था एक्स के अंदर, ठीक है. वैल्यू से क्या होता है समझा अभी?
यस मैम.
नाउ विल डू ऑन एरर इवेंट. क्या करेंगे? ऑन एरर. See here, on error event. Only 10 minutes are left. After 10 minutes, you have to rejoin the meeting. Okay? So in 10 minutes, we'll finish this on error. What I'll doing here is, I'll take one image. अगर इमेज लोड होने में कोई भी प्रॉब्लम आता है, देन ऑन एरर इवेंट कॉल होगा. अगर इमेज प्रॉपरली लोड हो जाता है, देन देयर इज नो प्रॉब्लम. इफ देयर इज एनी एरर इन लोडिंग द इमेज, then only on error will be executed. Okay, so for this I'll need one image. So I'll take one image. I have here image file. हाँ, ये फ्लावर वाला इमेज फाइल है. मैं कॉपी पेस्ट कर लेती हूँ मेरे फोल्डर के अंदर फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, so that I do not need to worry about the path. ठीक है, क्योंकि मैं मेरे सारे प्रोग्राम्स यहाँ पे ही सेव करने वाली हूँ ना, ये फोल्डर में, इसलिए. आर यू क्लियर नाउ? ऑन एरर कब एग्जीक्यूट होगा? हम एक इमेज लेंगे.
Yes, ma'am.
इमेज को लोड होने में कोई प्रॉब्लम होगा, देन ओनली ऑन एरर इवेंट विल बी एग्जीक्यूटेड, अदरवाइज नॉट. Now this is the standard part of every program. Now I'll take one image. कहाँ पे मेरा इमेज? सेम फोल्डर में ही है ना जहां पे मैं ये फाइल सेव करने वाली हूँ, राइट? व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ द इमेज? flower.jpg. See here, flower.jpg, right? ऑन एरर मुझे फंक्शन एग्जीक्यूट करना है. लेट्स से माय फंक्शन. ठीक है. नाउ स्क्रिप्ट टैग के अंदर लिखते हैं कोड. व्हाट इज द फंक्शन नेम? माय फंक्शन. अलर्ट. अगर इमेज लोड नहीं होगा प्रॉपरली तो ये फंक्शन एग्जीक्यूट होगा और उसमें अलर्ट मैसेज प्रिंट करेंगे. द इमेज कुड नॉट बी लोडेड. सेव कर लेते हैं. ऑन error.html. Now see here one thing. Both the files are in the same folder. Let us execute. इमेज हुआ ना डिस्प्ले, इसलिए वो एरर मैसेज नहीं हुआ, फंक्शन एग्जीक्यूट नहीं हुआ. नाउ आई विल मेक सम मिस्टेक. सपोज मैं फ्लावर का स्पेलिंग रॉन्ग लिख देती हूँ, FLOR, and I'll save this and I'll again reload. आया pop-up, image could not be loaded. See here, load ही हो रहा है अभी तक. So this is how you execute on error event. Understood? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Sarthak?
Yes, ma'am.
Go through the code. अगर मैं कोड ठीक से लिख देती हूँ तो एरर नहीं आएगा ना. See, go through it, then we'll start with the next variant. हुआ? Yes, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now we'll start with the next one. Now we are doing on focus. Now we'll do two events. Just understand the two different events now. On focus and on load. Now, on focus कैसे execute करेंगे हम? I'll design one input field. Enter your name. By reading this line, user is going to enter the name, right? Now, when the input field gets focused, when input field gets focused means what? When I move my mouse here to type something, then this function will be executed. Understood? On focus means what? Yes?
Ma'am, repeat करो ना.
हाँ. On focus means what? Let us understand one example. I have designed one input field, enter your name. And this is the field where I'm going to enter my name, right? Now, for entering the name, where I'm going to enter my name, name कहाँ पे enter करूंगी? ये field में ना. Suppose मैंने यहाँ पे लिखा है शीतल, right? So the moment I type शीतल here, ये input field को focus मिला. As soon as this field gets focused, आपका background color change हो जाएगा to yellow. You are clicking on this field to enter your name. So this is the event. लेकिन जब ये field को focus मिलेगा तभी क्या होना चाहिए? I want to change my background color. Understood? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Sarthak? Sarthak? Understood?
No, ma'am.
Sorry?
No, ma'am, नहीं समझ रहे हैं मुझे.
Understand? Focus means what? You are focusing on one particular thing. You are paying your attention on particular thing itself. मैं यहाँ पे एक इनपुट बॉक्स डिजाइन कर रही हूँ. एंटर योर नेम. तो आप अपना नेम एंटर करोगे ना ये फील्ड में? यस और नो?
यस मैम.
ये फील्ड के अंदर अपना नाम डालने के लिए आप माउस को इसके अंदर क्लिक करोगे ना, तभी आप नाम एंटर कर पाओगे. यू हैव टू मूव माउस कर्सर हियर ना. यस और नो? Sarthak, I'm talking to you.
Yes ma'am.
So when you click here, that is called as what? On focus. Means ये input field को focus मिला. Right? And you have written your name, Sarthak. When you are writing your name, means this input field has got the focus. तो ये क्या हुआ? हमारा एक event हुआ. ये इवेंट जब एग्जीक्यूट होगा तभी मुझे क्या करना है? आई वॉन्ट टू चेंज द बीजी कलर, बैकग्राउंड कलर टू येलो. यू कैन चेंज इट टू एनी अदर कलर ऑल्सो. अंडरस्टूड नाउ? यस और नो?
यस मैम.
क्लियर है? क्या करना है इसमें? एक इनपुट फील्ड बनाना है ना. एंटर योर नेम. Input type equals to text and ID is first name. Now, as soon as I'll enter my name, क्या होना चाहिए? Here I'm writing one function na, event. What is the event? On focus. My function will be executed. Right? What I want to change the background color na. So क्या लिखेंगे? What we'll write here? Any idea? For this, we need to do one thing. This function accepts one parameter means this. This means what? We are talking about this particular function itself. यहाँ पे हम एक वैल्यू पास करेंगे x and x dot style dot background equals to yellow. I'll explain you how this works. On focus event. Can you see here? Yellow हो गया. Now I will type name here. So as soon as ये field को focus मिला, ये क्या होगा? Yellow हो गया. See, the moment I'll click on this, this part will get yellow. Then you can type your name. How this is working? I'm writing the code here. Understand? Understand the working? क्या दिखाया हमने? Input type name equals to input type equals to text, id is f name, that is first name, and what is the event name? On focus, because when I'm clicking here, at that time the path is getting yellow, right? So this particular input field is getting focus, इसलिए input type में हमने on focus event लिखा है. कौन सा फंक्शन एग्जीक्यूट होगा? माई फंक्शन. और ये पर्टिकुलर फील्ड को येलो करना है ना, इसलिए मैंने यहाँ पे दिस लिखा है. दिस मीन्स व्हाट वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस पर्टिकुलर फंक्शन ओनली. देन इन द स्क्रिप्ट टैग function, what is the function name? My function. Now my function has one parameter ना, this. तो यहाँ पे जब हम कॉल करेंगे तो एक पैरामीटर पास करना है. यू कैन पास हियर एनी वैल्यू. मैंने यहाँ पे x पास किया है, x. नाउ x डॉट स्टाइल x डॉट स्टाइल डॉट बैकग्राउंड. क्या बैकग्राउंड चाहिए? येलो. सो क्या होगा? फर्स्ट ये लाइन एग्जीक्यूट होगा. ये लाइन का टाइप टेक्स्ट है, आईडी फर्स्ट नेम है, और कौन सा फंक्शन एग्जीक्यूट होना चाहिए? माई फंक्शन. माई फंक्शन में क्या लिखा है हमने? x dot style dot background yellow means yellow color will be passed to this field. Understood? Yes or no? Sarthak and Manish.
मैम x पैरामीटर क्यों पास किया मैम?
क्योंकि हम ये फंक्शन के पास एक पैरामीटर है ना x, दिस. तो ये दिस के लिए वैल्यू पास करनी थी हमने x, और x में क्या है? येलो कलर है. बिकॉज आई डोंट वांट टू चेंज द एंटायर बैकग्राउंड कलर, सिर्फ ये पर्टिकुलर इनपुट फील्ड का कलर चेंज करना है ना, इसलिए यहाँ पे दिस लिखा है. अगर पूरे बैकग्राउंड का कलर चेंज करना रहता था देन आई वुड हैव रिटन इन बॉडी टैग इटसेल्फ. आर यू गेटिंग माय पॉइंट?
यस मैम.
सार्थक.
Yes, ma'am.
Go through it.
मैम
हाँ. Yes.
मैम जिधर x लिखा है ना मैम माय फंक्शन, उधर दिस नहीं लिख सकते?
नहीं. Here you can write any character. If you are writing P here, then here P will come. But here you have to write this. ये फंक्शन डेफिनेशन है ना, और यहां से क्या हो रहा है? फंक्शन कॉल हो रहा है. दिस इज कॉलिंग, और ये फंक्शन का डेफिनेशन कहां पे लिखा है हमने? स्क्रिप्ट टैग में. अंडरस्टूड?
मैम मतलब फंक्शन कॉल बॉडी में ही हो रहा है?
हाँ, स्क्रिप्ट टैग के अंदर लिखा है ना. जावा स्क्रिप्ट के हर एक फंक्शन स्क्रिप्ट टैग में ही लिखता है ना हम. नाउ स्क्रिप्ट टैग you can write in head also and you can write in body also. Any doubt? Yes, no? Shall we proceed now?
Yes, ma'am.
Sarthak, can we proceed?
Yes, ma'am.
Please say yes or no at least. Sarthak and Manish, can we proceed now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Just wait for a minute. Okay, see here now. Now we have to do remaining 3 events. Remaining 3 events are on key down, on key up, on key press. These are the 3 that we need to do now. Okay? Yes, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. See here now. Understand the meaning of the event. On key down. In all the 3 examples, हम तीनों एग्जाम्पल में एक कॉमन एग्जाम्पल ही कंसिडर करेंगे. In these 3 events, we will consider the same example. Enter your name. Now, in this input field only, input type equals to text. ID is first name. On this input field itself, I'm going to add all the 3 events one by one. On key down equals to whatever the function you want to execute. On key up equals to function name, and on key press function name. Now understand the meaning of each event. On key down. Key means what? Key means we are talking about the keys that are present on the keyboard. ठीक है? On key down. Down means what? You are pressing on any keyboard key. Suppose आपको अपना नेम एंटर करना है, तो आप यहाँ पे क्लिक करेंगे ना, यहाँ पे क्लिक करेंगे. सपोज आपने यहाँ पे P लिखा, so the moment you press P कहाँ से एंटर करोगे आप? कीबोर्ड में से. तो आपका एक कीबोर्ड का की डाउन हुआ ना, आप प्रेस कर रहे हो, मीन्स योर की इज डाउन. So at that time, on key down will be executed. ठीक है? On key up. Up means what? Suppose you have entered here I. The moment I type I, मैंने जब I टाइप किया तभी कौन सा इवेंट था? की डाउन था ना. मैं जब I लिख के when I release the key, at that time key up function will be executed. Up function में क्या करेंगे? Whatever the letter you have written, that will convert into uppercase. ठीक है? Key up and down समझा क्या? Down means what? You are pressing on any key. Up means what? You have entered the key and then you are releasing it. Understood? Yes.
And ma'am, what about uppercase?
अपर केस में डाला है तो दैट विल बी इन द अपर केस इटसेल्फ. वो चेंज नहीं होगा फिर. ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am.
सार्थक.
Yes, ma'am.
नाउ ऑन की प्रेस लास्ट में करते हैं. पहले ये दो एग्जांपल देख लेते हैं. Clear till here? Now I am writing the function. When I'll press any key, then key down function will be executed. I'll display one alert message. That you pressed a key inside the input field. Understood? I'll save this. On key down event dot html. Here. यहाँ पे मैंने P प्रेस किया. Just a minute. Let me check what is the mistake. Let me rectify. See here, students. I am pressing any key from the keyboard. Can you see this message? You have pressed inside the input field. Understood? Manish,
Ma'am, can you repeat?
what? On
Ma'am,
key
the
down, na?
output.
So, this is the input field. Your cursor is inside this input field. The moment you press any key from the keyboard, this message will come. So this is on key down. Key down means what? You have pressed on any key. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Where is Sarthak? Where is Sarthak? Let us do key up now. I am giving the ID. F name on key up. On key up क्या होना चाहिए? My letter should be converted into uppercase, na? Right? And this value will convert into uppercase. We'll save this. On key up event .html. Okay, let us execute now. Join the same meeting after 10 minutes. This input box is not getting visible. See the output. I am typing letter here. X capital होगा. C देखो small है. Capital होगा. Understood? Everything I am typing in small case, but it is converted into uppercase as soon as I release the key. Understood?
मैम
Manish,
समझा नहीं मतलब
it means, see here. On key down, understood. Now, key up में क्या होगा? आप इनपुट बॉक्स में जो भी एंटर करोगे, सपोज आपने स्मॉल केस में पी लिखा है, as soon as you release the key, मतलब आप जब की में से हाथ उठाओगे, then the P will be converted into upper case. That is key up. Down means what you have pressed on the key. Up means what you are releasing the key. Understood?
yes ma'am understood.
Okay. So here we complete the events topic. Now, if where is Sarthak? Where is Sarthak?
पता नहीं मैम मैसेज भी किया मैम इसको
हाँ?
सीन नहीं किया अभी मैम व्हाट्सएप पे मैसेज भी किया उसको मैंने सीन नहीं किया साथ में
Okay. If you have any doubt, then you can ask me now. This is the last lecture, no? That's why.